everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the stock receipt and the adjustment topic in the Bitrix24, and by the end you will have all the insight you need to see the usage of the inventory for the stock adjustment and recipient purpose. So grab a seat, hit that like button and let's get started. So when we click on the inventory, here we have the option of inventory management. When we click on the inventory management, here we will see the different icons. And we click on the create, here in the top right corner, we will see the option of stock receipt and stock adjustment. So what is the stock adjustment? Stock adjustment are need to enter the initial inventory or the account for the products after an inventory check. They confirm the presence of previously unaccounted product in the warehouse. To create the inventory, you just need to click on the stock adjustment. When you click on the stock adjustment, you just need to add the product over here. When you add the product over here, related to that product, we have the different options over here. That is the warehouse option, purchase price, sales price, quantity. So you just need to add that purchase price, sales price, quantity option here and the warehouse option. When you click on the create, when you add the product price and the sales price, and when you click on the save, that inventory is added over here by the stock by the name as stock adjustment. So you can rename also this name with the clicking on the pencil. So we will add it over here as the inventory stock adjustment. And once we click on the process, so that inventory is processed over here for the stock receipt purpose. So when we add the quantity and we click on the save and process, so the stock adjustment is processed over here for that purpose. So you can see over here the status of that particular inventory stock adjustment is proceed over here. When we click on create, so here also we have the another option, that is the stock receipt option. So stock receipt option is basically used to track the product that arrive at your warehouse. They show which product arrived, their quantity and the vendor. To create the stock receipt, you just need to click on the stock receipt option. You just add the product over here. For that particular product, you just need to add the purchase price, sales price and the quantity along with the warehouse option. So when you add the warehouse quantity and everything, in the general, you will see the options over here, that is the vendor option. So in the vendor, you just need to add the contact of that particular vendor along with its company details. So once you click on the contact and company and you click on the same, so when you see, this stock receipt is created over here with the product name along with the vendor option. So once we click on the proceed, also in the dashboard of inventory, we will see that option that it is proceed over here for the stock receipt purpose. We can see the types and the status of the stock receipt and the adjustment which we added over here. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.